If you get a flat tire, proper use of your tire service kit can get you back on the road quickly and safely. If equipped, the tire service kit is located in the rear storage area under the load floor. Remember that roadside assistance may also be available. Consult your owner's information for details. If you do get a flat tire, find a safe location, park, and turn on your hazard lights. Turn the ignition off and apply the parking brake. Position the damaged tire so that the valve stem is near the ground. This will allow the tire service kit hose to reach the valve stem with the kit flat on the ground. Put the kit on the ground next to the flat tire. Connect the hose to the sealant bottle. Unscrew the tire valve stem cap. Take the short filler tube and tighten the fitting onto the tire valve. Make sure the power switch is in the off or O position. Plug the kit into the center console power outlet, then start the engine. Push the tire service kit power button to the on or I position. The kit will activate. Sealant and air will inflate the tire. Inflate the tire to at least 32 psi or 2.2 bar. If the pressure is not at least 26 psi or 1.8 bar after 15 minutes, disengage the compressor from the valve and power outlet. Then, move the vehicle forward about 5 tire turns to distribute the sealant inside the tire. Repeat the inflation process. If you still cannot obtain a pressure of at least 26 psi or 1.8 bar within 15 minutes from the compressor switching on, do not drive the vehicle. The tire is too badly damaged and should not be driven on. When correct pressure has been reached, drive the vehicle for about 5 miles, 8 kilometers, or 10 minutes. Stop, apply the electric park brake, and recheck the tire pressure. If pressure is less than 19 psi or 1.3 bar, do not drive the vehicle. Contact an authorized dealer. If a tire pressure of at least 19 psi or 1.3 bar is detected, inflate the tire to the correct pressure. Then drive immediately and very carefully to an authorized dealer. Peel off the warning label and place it on the dashboard as a reminder to the driver that the tire has been treated with the tire service kit. Check the expiration date on the sealant bottle and do not exceed the speed restriction for the treated tire. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.